Just sitting, we don't have to
no, Mr. Take me, we don't have a problem with that.
No, man. We don't take your pace now.
No, Mr. I'm here to take me to my surgery.
Now the doctor is operating. This is the Spanish Town search crew, cell block crew. Yeah. Real police work, no corrupt work. We just find them, you see it? On the top of the building. All of them bag out to different prisoner name on it. Yeah. Spec where we pan for come. Alright. We are? Yeah. This is it. Yes. Observe closely. Yeah. Right. Right. And that's why CJ is only in a trick, you know? Make your name stand, Panny. We don't want your name to come out.
How a big thing. Boy, I spend big money for them thing, man.
I don't blame them, you. If they never have one, police are carrying them.
Yeah, police are carrying them. Watch it. Ko ganja. Ko foreign stuff. Ko foreign cigarette. Observe. We the team. Find it on the top. Ko ganja. Yeah. See it there? Ko there. Yeah. Yeah. Put out the cigarette box them, line them up. Yeah. Good work, team. We now pet people today. Come on a ramp with man work and man pension. Yeah. Yeah. Charger. Tobacco. Name my police, the name of the prisoner they on it. Each of them names. See it there? See it there? See it there? Package. Phone. See it there? Phone coming in package too.
Phone coming at this.
See it there? On the name them. Guns. Oh, you mean?
61 years old.
The crew.
61 years old.
This is for them.
Hey, I will put thousands of
Yeah, this is Spec come.
61 years old.
Spec, we just find it. That's why the boy go around, they go hide and we go up on the building top and find it, seal up.
There are certain things that I want to say, but I will not say it. I have a reason why I'm not.
Yeah, man. Hold it.
No,
just hold it. Hold it.
God knows why I'm not going to release this man in here.
Yeah.
Them say work in mysterious ways.
Yeah.
I'm disappointed for about it.
Yeah.
This one name for that one name?
Yeah. Yeah, man. All package we go in I sell on the top of the building, eh? Spec skill police climb up, fit police climb up and see it. You see it? Yes, I have an instruction from him supervisor. Yeah. I mean. Yeah. All of them there. Yeah. Good fine for the public holiday. Holy thing. Phone come out in paper now. With name pan it. Let me see what the name, let me call the name. Let me see name first. Brother. Green package.
Complainant Park and Security.
Take up that. Make it one tag drop off. Take up it.
Oh, tag. People observe. Suspect, you still have some of your good police like we there still try work the thing, you see? I'm fine. That's why CJ got hide in the boss because what? Hide on the counter I here because he might pick up man using head. But we mash up the plan. At the enemy. At the corrupt police who want to hold now. Yeah, man. At the corrupt police who want to hold now.
3 pack of cigarettes.
Call him now.
I don't think about that.
No, man, make full respect come first. We don't want to holler at nobody
No
else.
man, full respect at priority.
Yeah, make him come first. And then if you want to bring it to his attention, because we don't want to undermine our respect.
But I take too long forward.
Well, me not left at him coming now. If me finish double, I forgot to be there because it come in hot.
Nelson, how many Nelson?
One like he can't talk.
Look, my big boss. Look, all the good these 10 police and this police. Look,
A big money
Look.
right there.
You saw it up there good?
yeah man, not no
Why
more.
go there go look at him now?
Not no more, I don't see no
No, you know what I say so? Because learn this.
Yeah,
Can you find something?
6 o'clock, this man can check.